Hi guys, welcome to Oliveboard. In this video, we are going to discuss top 15 weekly current affairs for March 27 to April 3. This video will be beneficial for those who are preparing for NABARD Grade A exam, RBI Grade B and other banking exams. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are uploading continuous banking awareness, weekly general awareness, PIB videos, other preparation strategy videos for various exams. So start with first point. Mr. K. Vijayaraghavan has been appointed as the principal scientific advisor to the Government of India. Till now he was working as a secretary in the Department of Biotechnology. So this is important. The name is important. Who has been appointed as a principal scientific advisor? This question may come. RBI has resumed the process of holding consultative meetings with industry groups like CII, Confederation of Indian Industry, and public sector banks and other banks in the run up to the monetary policy. Okay, and it has been done after a gap of 1.5 years. Previously it was being done. RBI used to hold these meetings, but then it stopped. How many members does Monetary Policy Committee of RBI has? 6 members. This is the keyword. So 6 members you should know. And who is the president of CII? Shobna Kamineni. Third point is India ranked 67 in terms of fixed broadband speeds and 109 in terms of for mobile internet speeds globally in the February 2018 in a survey held by a company, taken by a company Ookla. So you should know the name of this company Ookla and what it does. Singapore tops the list, and what is the name of the survey? Speed Test Global Index. Fourth point is NASA had delayed the launch of its much awaited 8 billion James Webb Space Telescope, said to be the world's biggest space observatory. So in 2020 it will be completed. The observatory is expected to solve many mysteries of our solar system. NASA has described JWST as the scientific successor to the Hubble Space Telescope. Now, Hubble Space Telescope was launched in 1990. Myanmar has elected its new president. The name is Win Myint, and the outgoing president is Mr. Thin Kyaw. So this you should know. Myanmar is an important country for India. Sixth point is ISRO successfully placed a communication satellite in GSAT 6A in the orbit. So it is a communication satellite, but the satellite lost the contact with control stations, and efforts are still on to revive the communication with the satellite. So here the important point is the chairman of ISRO, Mr. K. Sivan. Okay, now core sectors grew 5.3% in February 2018. What are these core sectors? This is the only question which can come from this, and this figure is important. Okay, now 8 core sectors you should know, you must know: coal, crude oil, natural gas, refinery products, fertilizer, steel, cement and electricity. So these are the infra sectors related to infrastructure development of any country. These are the fundamental sectors, very important. So economy of a country is based on these sectors. So these are called as core sectors. The core sectors have an impact on the IIP, Index of Industrial Production. We have already made a separate wonderful video on IIP. You can watch that on our channel. Debjani Ghosh is the new president of NESCOM, become first woman to head the IT industry body. She is the former managing director of Intel South Asia. Now, 9th point is Niti Aayog's Atal Innovation Mission. Here the keyword is Atal Innovation Mission. What is Atal Innovation Mission? Is a Government of India's flagship initiative to promote a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship in the country. So it has signed a statement of intent SOI with SAP Labs in 2018 to adopt 100 Atal Tinkering Laboratories for 5 years. Okay, now one more thing is important here is the full form of STEM: Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics. Navigation satellite IRNSS-1I, this is not 11, this is 1I, is scheduled for a launch using PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Then the full form of PSLV is important, in April 2018. So IRNSS satellites, they are the navigation satellites. Okay, they're used for navigation purposes like disaster alerts, potential fishing zones information, etc. Odisha Formation Day, known as Utkal Divas. This is the only important point here. By what name Odisha Formation Day is known, and what is the date? celebrated every year on 1st April. Rashtriya Avishkar Abhiyan is an initiative by Ministry of Human Resource Development. It is a framework across school education and higher education and aims to encourage children towards learning science and mathematics. Okay. 13th is the Petroleum Natural Gas Minister, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. Who is the Petroleum Natural Gas Minister? Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan said the government has decided to proactively advance the rollout of BS6 fuel in Delhi from April 2018. This is a very important news. Now, what is BS? BS is Bharat Stage. These are the emission standards. Bharat Stage emission standards are emission standards instituted by the Government of India to regulate the output of air pollutants from internal combustion engines or spark ignition engines, as in the two-wheelers. Okay. Now 14th is Ministry of Tourism in close collaboration with Ministry of Culture and Archaeological Survey has launched Adopt a Heritage project. So the name of the project is important, Adopt a Heritage project, and which ministries are involved? Tourism, obviously. If it is heritage, tourism, and Ministry of Culture and Archaeological Survey. This you can easily tell. So what is the aim and objective and goal? Now we'll discuss. To provide the world-class tourist facilities at various natural and cultural heritage sites, monuments, and other tourist sites. So the private sector companies, public sector companies, and individuals will develop tourist amenities at these heritage sites. And what these tourist amenities include? They aim to make monuments tourist friendly. Okay, primarily focusing on providing basic amenities like cleanliness, public convenience, public toilets, drinking water, ease of access. Okay, for making these places disabled friendly, etc. Okay, plus souvenir shop, cafeteria, eating facilities, and also they would become Monument Mitra, these companies who will undertake these projects and adopt the sites essentially under their CSR activity. Now the last point is SIDBI celebrated its Foundation Day on 2nd of April. Okay, the date is important. Two things: Chairman and Managing Director of SIDBI, Shri Mohammad Mustafa, the name, very important, and headquarters are in Lucknow. And a bankability kit brought in partnership with BOB and IDBI Bank is also launched. So this is an initiative by SIDBI, bankability kit, and it is a step to look beyond financial literacy and be a trusted guide for aspirants and existing entrepreneurs. So guys, these were the 15 top weekly current affairs. Register for Oliveboard's free All India mock test for NABARD Grade A as well as for RBI Grade B and other banking exams in 2018. Please like, subscribe, and share. All the very best.